Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain this question from the definite integration. So 2024 P by Q. So what is given here? If the value of integrals. So what is given? Integration of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x square cos x by 1 plus pi power x plus. So with respect to dx, again, so consider this one as I is equal to, again, plus integration of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So 1 plus sine square x by 1 plus e power. So e power sine 2023x with respect to dx. Now see here one formula is there. Ma? What is the formula? Integration of minus a to a even function by 1 plus a power odd function is equal to integration 0 to a even function. Answer is here even function with respect to dx. Now second here, even function means cos x square. If you substitute here f of minus x is equal to this one, again you will get here, this is even function only. So this is even function. So pi power, a power odd function, x is obviously odd function. So 1 plus sine square x even function. Next, e power sine power 2023 into x odd function. So how to guess this one as an even function or odd function? Let's check it here. From this one we can write f of x is equal to, some function is given, f of minus x is equal to, if you get f of x means that is a even function. F of minus x is equal to minus f of x is nothing but here odd function. So even function and odd function already we know from the chapter functions. So from that one we can expect here. Now I is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2. So integration of even function. What is the even function here? So we got here even function. Even function is x square cos x with respect to dx plus integration 0 to pi by 2 even function. What is the even function? 1 plus sine square x with respect to dx. Now first what I will do here, this is I1 and this is the I2 value. So simplify I1. So I1 is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 into x square into cos x dx. Now from this one we can write here, from this one we can write I1 is equal to, so this is u and this is v from the islet. So what happens here? uv integration u into integration of v. What is cos x here? Sin x minus integration of u dash, so that is here 2x into integration of cos x, again that is here sin x with respect to dx. So I1 is equal to x square into sin x minus 2 times of integration of x into sin x with respect to dx. So from this one we can write here I1 is equal to x square into sin x minus 2 times of, again uv formula. Again what is u here? X is u and v is sin x. So u into integration of sin x, so that is x into integration of sin x is minus cos x minus integration of u dash means 1 and integration of sin x is here minus cos x with respect to dx. So close this one. So that is equal to x square into sin x minus 2 times of minus cos x minus of minus plus integration of cos x sin x. So that is equal to x square into sin x minus of minus plus 2x into cos x minus into plus minus 2 sin x. Now apply the limits here 0 to pi by 2. So what happens here? Pi by 2 upper limit minus lower limit. X value pi by 2 means square. Pi square by 4. Sin pi by 2 value 1. So cos pi by 2 0. Sin pi by 2 value 1. So that is here minus 2. This is upper limit minus lower limit. So 0, 0, 0. So finally completely 0. So what you got here? Pi square by 4 minus 2. So this is 1. So first one what we got here? So I1 value is equal to pi square by 4 minus 2 is first one. Next what we have to find here? Next value, second one also we have to find. So this one I2 value. So how to find the I2 value here? So simply we can take here, this is also UV rule only. So if any formula you will get here, from that one we can simplify this UV rule. So second, I2 value, I2 is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 1 plus sine square x dx. So we can write here, separately I do here, integration of 1 how much here? X to the power of 0 to pi by 2 plus integration of 0 to pi by 2. Sine square x, how we can write? 1 minus cos 2x by 2, right? Sine square x formula 1 minus cos 2x by 2 with respect to dx. So here, so upper limit minus lower limit means here this is pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 times of integration of 1 x. So 1 by 2 times of integration of 1 x. So right here 0 to pi by 2 minus integration of cos 2x sin 2x. Sin 2x by 2. Apply the limit here 0 to pi by 2. So what happens here? Pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 into upper limit minus lower limit means this is also pi by 2 minus 1 by 2 into upper limit minus lower limit. What happens? Sin 2 into pi by 2. 2 cancel. Sin pi 0 minus sin 0 value is 0. So from this one we can write here. So from this one we can write here that is equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 4. So 4 into pi, 4 pi plus 2 pi, 6 pi. 6 pi by 4 to 8. So we can write here 2 3s, 2 4s. So that is equal to 3 pi by 4. Now add 1 and 2. So what happens here? Add 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 means I1 plus I2. What is I1 here? Pi square by, we can write here, pi square by 4 minus 2 plus 3 pi by 4. So from this one we can write here. So take, what you have to take common? Pi by 4 take common here. From this one, if you take pi by 4 common, what happens here? Pi minus 3 minus 2. It is in the form of like this one, and check it here answer. Pi by 4 into pi minus 3. So we can write here pi minus 3 or pi plus 3 or pi plus 3. So these two, pi plus 3 minus 2. So pi by 4 into pi plus 3 minus 2 means what is the a value here? A value is equal to 3. Is there a is equal to 3 is an option here? Yes, option A is the correct answer. Clear? Thank you, ma'am.